Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart speakers. We'll explore their capabilities for music, voice control, and general home use. Let's find out if these devices live up to the hype. First up, music. Smart speakers have revolutionized how we listen to tunes. They connect to streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and more. You can simply say, "Hey Google, play some pop music," or "Alexa, play my workout playlist." The sound quality varies depending on the speaker, of course. Some offer impressive bass and clear highs, while others are more basic. Consider your listening habits. If you're a serious audiophile, you might want to invest in a higher-end model. For casual listening, a smaller, more affordable speaker might be perfect. Voice control is where smart speakers truly shine. They act as your personal assistant, responding to your every command. Set timers, alarms, and reminders with ease. Get the weather forecast, news updates, or sports scores in an instant. Control your smart home devices, like lights, thermostats, and security systems. It's all hands-free convenience. The responsiveness of these voice assistants has improved dramatically. They understand natural language, so you don't need to use specific commands. However, they're not perfect. Sometimes, they misinterpret your requests or struggle with background noise. Overall, voice control makes life significantly easier. Let's talk about home use. Smart speakers offer a range of features beyond music and voice control. They can make phone calls, send messages, and even act as an intercom system. They integrate seamlessly with other smart home devices. Imagine turning off all the lights with a single voice command, or adjusting your thermostat from the comfort of your bed. The possibilities are endless. These speakers also provide information. Ask them questions, get definitions, or even translate languages. They're a valuable tool for everyday life. Privacy is a significant concern. Most smart speakers record audio to improve their performance. You can usually review and delete these recordings, but it's something to be aware of. Read the privacy settings and understand how your data is being used. Choosing the right smart speaker depends on your individual needs. Consider the sound quality, voice assistant, and features. Popular options include the Amazon Echo, Google Nest Audio, and Apple HomePod. Read reviews, compare prices, and see which one fits your lifestyle. Smart speakers have become an integral part of modern homes. They provide entertainment, convenience, and information at your fingertips. From playing music to controlling your smart home devices, they offer a wealth of features. While there are privacy concerns, the benefits often outweigh the risks. So, are smart speakers worth it? Absolutely, if you're looking for a convenient and versatile addition to your home. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of smart speakers. We'll be taking a detailed look at their multifaceted capabilities, specifically focusing on their performance for music, the convenience of voice control, and their overall utility in a variety of home environments. Let's explore the features that have made these devices so incredibly popular and indispensable in many modern households. First up, let's delve into the musical realm. Smart speakers have truly revolutionized the way we experience music. They seamlessly connect to popular streaming services, including Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music, granting you instant access to vast libraries of songs and playlists. Imagine this: you can simply say, "Hey Siri, play some smooth jazz," or "Alexa, start my high-energy workout playlist," and your chosen music begins playing almost instantly. The sound quality varies significantly. Depending on the specific speaker model, some offer impressively rich, immersive audio experiences that rival dedicated sound systems. It's crucial to consider the speaker's size and physical design when assessing its potential sound capabilities and how it will fit into your space. Larger speakers, for instance, are often ideal for filling spacious living rooms with sound, while smaller, more compact models are perfect for bedside tables or kitchens. Next, let's explore the core of the smart speaker experience: voice control. This feature is, without a doubt, the heart and soul of any smart speaker. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri are incredibly responsive and intuitive. You can effortlessly ask for instant news updates, detailed weather forecasts, or set precise timers with the simple use of your voice. Smart speakers excel at providing immediate answers to your burning questions. Need a quick, easily accessible fact? Just ask, and the information is delivered. Need to know the fascinating capital of France? They've got the answer ready for you in seconds. Beyond these basic commands, smart speakers grant you the power to control other smart home devices, effortlessly turn on lights, adjust the thermostat to your ideal temperature, or even lock the front doors, all with a simple, easy voice command. This advanced level of integration makes everyday tasks significantly easier, making your life much more convenient. Now, let's talk about how you can integrate smart speakers seamlessly throughout your home. They are designed to be placed and used in nearly any room. In the kitchen, they're perfect for setting precise cooking timers while you prepare delicious meals. In the living room, they vastly enhance your overall entertainment experience, giving you hands-free control. In bedrooms, they function as both a smart alarm clock, waking you up gently, and a convenient source of news updates and personalized music playlists. When considering smart speaker use, it's also important to think about personal privacy. Most smart speakers are equipped with a physical mute button, enabling you to instantly disable the built-in microphone whenever you want to ensure privacy. Additionally, make sure you explore the privacy settings in the companion app associated with your specific smart speaker. This lets you gain a better understanding of what data is collected and how that data is used to improve the overall functionality of the device. Smart speakers are continually learning and improving through regular software updates. Their features and overall capabilities constantly evolve, meaning your smart speaker gets better and more advanced over time, providing you with an increasingly optimized experience. This ongoing improvement is, without a doubt, an appealing feature for potential buyers. In summary, smart speakers provide a convenient, highly versatile, and continually evolving experience that enhances many aspects of daily life. From effortlessly playing your favorite music to the convenience of seamless voice control and robust home automation capabilities, these devices offer a wide array of benefits. Their ease of use and inherent ability to integrate with various services and smart home ecosystems make them a truly worthwhile investment for many households. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.